Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how you can divide two algebraic expressions over each other. Here I have a expression here and for denominator another expression, but you cannot find the solution very simple. But in algebraic method I can write it x cubed plus x squared minus x plus 2 divide by x plus 2. X plus 2. Now, write it better. Now you just find another expression to respect the order, the first order here, because I have the maximum order here is x, and to be x cubed I need x squared. If you multiply these two terms, x squared should be multiplied to x and also 2. These two terms is x cubed, and these two terms multiply is 2x squared. And you just subtract the first two terms here. The first term cancel with the first term, the beneath terms, and for second term x squared minus 2x squared is just minus x squared. Now you take the another term here under minus x, and now you have to find another term to respect the biggest order here, and that is x. But as we have a minus here, we multiply with minus x. So multiply x to these terms, minus x, multiply x is minus x squared, and these two terms is minus 2 times x. Now just minus these two terms. The first one cancelled, minus x minus 2x, because it's 2 minus it should be plus, minus x plus 2x is plus x. And after this, because you take this here, and the only term remains is plus 2, and plus 2 comes here, x plus 2, and you can see x plus 2 here, x plus 2 here. We just multiply with 1, and so is x plus 2, and when you subtract these two terms it just remains 0, and this term here is the result. So the result here is x squared minus x plus 1. You can check the result by multiply this term and this term with the cross multiplication rule, and check if the result is the denominator or not. Please leave me a comment in this video and tell me if you reached the right answer or not. Thank you for your attention.